Where is the fuse box located in your 2014 Dodge Avenger, and what do the fuses control? In this guide, we'll explore the fuse box diagram and location to help you troubleshoot electrical issues and maintain your vehicle's essential functions. Integrated power module. The integrated power module houses fuses and relays that control essential electrical functions. It provides circuit protection for the vehicle's lighting, power accessories, and engine systems. The module is designed for efficient power distribution and system reliability.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.